In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a font to Wix. Whether you're working on a blog, a company site, or something personal, having your unique font can make it stand out. Let's dive right in and go through the process step by step. First things first, let's head over to Wix. Open a browser and type in wix.com to access the Wix homepage. You can log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Wix dashboard. This is your central hub for all things related to your site. Next, locate the site you wish to edit from the dashboard. You should see a list of your sites on the left side or directly in the center, depending on the layout you've chosen. Click on Edit Site for the site you want to modify. This action will open the Wix editor, a powerful tool that gives you the control to make changes to your website appearance. Once inside the Wix editor, identify the text element you want to update with your custom font. Simply click on the text you're interested in altering. This will reveal a toolbar directly related to text editing functions. Look for the button labeled Edit Text and give it a click. A menu will appear, offering various text customizations. Now, navigate to the Fonts option within this menu. Clicking on it grants you a variety of font choices available by default within Wix. However, today we're going a step further and uploading a custom font. To do this, locate and click the Upload Fonts option within the Fonts menu. After doing this, you'll see your current Wix font library and another button labeled Upload Fonts. Click on this button once more, which will prompt you to select the font file you've prepared for upload. Be sure your font file is saved in a supported format, such as .otf or .wof. This is crucial since unsupported file types won't work with Wix. Now, it's time to upload your desired font. Click to browse your computer files and select the appropriate font file, then confirm by clicking Open or Upload. Wix will take a moment to incorporate your font into its library. Depending on your connection, this may take a few seconds or a bit longer. Finally, once the upload is completed, simply click on the Done button. Your newly uploaded font will now be available to select for any text on your site, adding that perfect personal touch. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded a custom font to Wix. With this newfound knowledge, you have the power to further personalize your website and make it uniquely yours. Thanks for watching and happy designing.